Organizing a long algebra problem feels complicated, but it's really just like sorting laundry. You don't just have a pile of clothes, you have shirts, socks, and pants. In algebra, we do the same thing by grouping together what we call like terms. So what are they? Like terms are items that have the exact same variable costume. The letter and its power must be identical. For example, 3x and 5x are like terms. They're both wearing the x costume. 2x squared and 5x squared are also a match. But x and x squared are not like terms. Think of it as a t-shirt versus a fancy dress shirt, similar but not the same costume. And standalone numbers like 7 or -2 are always like terms with each other. Once you've found your matching pairs, you simplify by combining their coefficients. That's the number in front. Here's the most important rule. The plus or minus sign immediately to the left of a term belongs to it. Treat that sign like a backpack the number always wears. So if you have 4m minus 5m, you look at the numbers, a +4 and a -5. What's 4 minus 5? -1. So your answer is -1m, or just -m. The variable part, the m, stays the same. And this brings up a critical point. Adding and subtracting are different from multiplying. When you add, the variable costume doesn't change. X plus x is 2x. But when you multiply, it does. X times x becomes x squared. Addition is about counting how many you have. Multiplication is about changing the power. So, next time you see a long expression, don't panic. Just start sorting. Group the terms with identical costumes, pay close attention to the sign each one is wearing, and combine them. It's the first step to making any algebra problem neat and manageable.